office.
Yeah.
We have the regional soil museum
Yeah.
for 8 provinces in this area. So visit
World Soil Day.
the
King.
King Ramanai,
Home King.
King Ramanai, from the IUFF, International Union of Soil Science, International International Union of Soil Science, give the coin for Humanitarian soil scientists, the first one, and ask permission from the king for his birthday, December 5th, at a World Soil Day. Like a soil scientists in the world, they want to set a one day at a World Soil Day, but they don't know how to select the day. And King's birthday, December 5th. And King Ramanai, he working a lot for soil science and other permission of him. And in 19